Hello viewers, for you today I have another eBay purchase. This is a set of 4 Democratic Republic of Congo coins from 2004, and they commemorate the 25th anniversary of the visit of Pope John Paul II. So there's 4 different patterns commemorating that visit. So let's open it up and see what we've got. Okay. There we have 4 coins taped to the piece of paper. Okay, here's the set of the 4 1-franc coins that commemorate the 25th anniversary of Pope John Paul II's visit to Africa, specifically to the Republic of Congo. I'll show you the back. The back actually has the same pattern of a lion in 2004, and it does say Republic Democratic Congo in French. So these 4 coins are meant to depict Pope John Paul II in 4 different parts of his life. In the first one it says Perry, and his last name, his given name, and that is French for father. So that is where he was a priest in 1946. And in 1967 apparently he became Cardinal in the next coin. And then in this coin here in 1978 he became Pope. That's the term for Pope John Paul. And I believe the last one is the visit to the Congo and the 128 other countries that he visited in Africa. And of course all of these are 1-franc coins. So overall a really nice coin set. I paid approximately $9.59, and I'll do a little research here and I'll throw up the actual value of these coins. But if you like this video, please comment below. Tell me what you think. And as always, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Good night.